Hi, I'm Jonathan Cohen, partner at NextLaw. If you're thinking about representing yourself on a stunt driving charge, let me walk you through exactly what that may involve. Remember, this is a complex legal proceeding that will determine whether you keep your license or lose it for a minimum of 1 year. Challenging radar evidence. First question, are you going to trial? If the radar calibration looks correct, you need to understand something critical. At NextLaw, I've worked in all 52 Ontario courts, and here's the reality. If that radar evidence appears properly calibrated, the court moves forward, assuming you're guilty. Can you cross-examine a police officer on radar calibration procedures? Do you know the technical specifications for the device used in your case? Not what AI tells you to ask, but the actual correct phrasing that a justice of the peace will accept in a formal courtroom. Pretrial resolution discussions. Maybe you're hoping to negotiate before trial. Do you know the prosecutor assigned to your case? Each of Ontario's 52 courts operates differently. As a legal representative working with NextLaw across Ontario, I can tell you that prosecutors have individual approaches and tolerances. Do you know how they view cases like yours? What resolution they typically accept? Have you appeared before this specific prosecutor before? They deal with legal representatives daily who understand court culture and expectations, courtroom procedure and presentation. When you stand in front of a justice of the peace without professional representation, do you know what to say, how to phrase objections, when to speak and when to stay silent? Court procedure is formal and technical. One wrong statement can destroy your defense. What's your experience presenting evidence, examining witnesses, making legal submissions? Risk assessment. At NextLaw, we focus exclusively on stunt driving defense because we understand the stakes. You're facing a minimum 1-year license suspension, fines up to $10,000, 6 demerit points, and potential jail time. Your insurance will be devastated for years. What's your risk tolerance for getting this wrong? Bottom line, I know every court, every typical prosecutor approach, and exactly how to navigate radar evidence challenges. This isn't knowledge you can get from internet research. You have one shot at this. The question isn't whether you can represent yourself. The question is whether you can afford to get it wrong.